Hey guys, I have a lock from my naughty bucket, a Defender. Not really that I know this brand much, but haven't been able to open it before enough times that it ended up in my naughty bucket. So let's see if we can now. Let's try top of the keyway. See if that does anything for me. I already have a slight turn, even more now on pin 1. Okay. That was quite a boring naughty bucket pick. Why in the world have I not been able to open that before? Typically when I put a lock in my naughty bucket, it is because I have tried at least 5 times of around 10 minutes, not necessarily on video, but that I have tried, like I said, about at least 5 times, about 10 minutes per time, and not been able to open it. I don't know. Anyway, it's open now. All right. That was a short naughty bucket video, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.